In this video, I will show you how to rename your iPhone very quickly. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First things first, go ahead and open settings on your iPhone. Right here at the top, you're gonna see your name. So you might think that's where you need to change your iPhone's name, but actually that's just your iCloud. So all your information about your Apple account, you're gonna find it right here at the top. But if you do wanna change your iPhone name, what you're gonna do is scroll down and select General. Then you're gonna tap on About, and then right here you're gonna see all your iPhone's information, including the name. And right here you can go ahead and delete the name that you currently have and add another name to your iPhone. Once you're done, simply tap Undone at the bottom, and that's it. Now you have a new name for your iPhone. I hope this video helped you.